Did you know some foods actually speed up fat burning? For example, eggs are loaded with protein to keep you full, chili peppers have capsaicin to boost your metabolism, and Greek yogurt is packed with probiotics to improve gut health and support weight loss. These aren't complicated or extreme, they're simple, everyday foods that are easy to include in your routine. Yes, exercise matters, but the food you eat plays an even bigger role in fat loss. And here's the best part, you don't need to follow a strict or boring diet. By adding wholesome, unprocessed, and nutrient-packed foods to your meals, you can fuel your body to burn fat in a way that's both safe and sustainable. In this video, we're sharing 10 amazing foods that can help you burn fat, crush your fitness goals, and feel healthier overall. Let's start with a breakfast favorite that's perfect for fat loss: eggs. Eggs are packed with high-quality protein that helps you stay full longer, making it easier to eat fewer calories throughout the day. This makes them a great choice for weight management. They're also loaded with essential nutrients like vitamin D, which supports strong bones, and choline, which plays an important role in breaking down fat. Studies show that having eggs for breakfast can curb hunger and boost fat burning, setting you up for a healthier day. Whether you like them boiled, scrambled, or poached, eggs are a versatile, satisfying option to start your day and keep those extra pounds in check. Craving carbs while trying to lose fat? Sweet potatoes are an excellent choice that satisfies cravings without derailing your goals. Sweet potatoes are nutrient-packed root vegetables full of fiber, which helps you feel full and prevents overeating. Their complex carbs provide steady energy, making them an excellent choice to keep you active throughout the day. They're also rich in essential vitamins like vitamin A, which supports eye health and immunity, and vitamin C, which promotes healthy skin and fights inflammation. With their naturally sweet flavor, sweet potatoes are a versatile addition to any meal. Whether you bake, roast, or mash them, they pair perfectly with lean proteins and leafy greens for a well-rounded, fat-burning dish. Plus, their low glycemic index helps stabilize blood sugar levels, making them a great ally for fat loss. Next on the list are avocados, a healthy fat powerhouse. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats that can help reduce belly fat and improve heart health by lowering bad cholesterol levels. They're also rich in fiber, which keeps you feeling full longer and helps prevent overeating. This powerful combo of healthy fats and fiber also helps regulate blood sugar, making it easier to support fat loss. Adding just half an avocado to your meals gives you a creamy, nutritious boost while promoting fat burning. Spread it on toast, toss it into salads, or blend it into smoothies. The options are endless. With their versatility and incredible health benefits, avocados are a must-have in any fat-burning diet. When it comes to a snack that helps with fat loss, Greek yogurt is a star. Greek yogurt is loaded with protein, which helps build and repair muscles while keeping you full for longer. Its probiotics support a healthy gut, improving digestion and boosting metabolism, both key factors for easier weight loss. Plus, the high protein content helps regulate hunger hormones, reducing cravings and keeping you satisfied. For the best fat-burning benefits, stick to plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt to avoid added sugars. Top it with fresh fruit or nuts for extra nutrients and healthy fats. This creamy, versatile snack not only supports fat loss, but also promotes overall health, making it a perfect addition to your diet. Moving on, switching up your drinks can also make a difference, and green tea is a fantastic option for fat loss. Green tea is famous for its fat-burning benefits, thanks to catechins and caffeine that work together to boost your metabolism and increase calorie burn. Drinking a few cups daily can help enhance fat oxidation, especially in the belly area, while also promoting energy levels to keep you active throughout the day. Beyond fat loss, green tea acts as a natural detoxifier, helping flush out toxins from your body. Whether you prefer it hot, iced, or blended into a smoothie, green tea is a refreshing and simple way to support both fat loss and overall health. If you enjoy spicy food, you'll love our next fat-burning superfood, chili peppers. Chili peppers contain capsaicin, a compound that kicks your metabolism into high gear by increasing thermogenesis, your body's process of burning calories to produce heat. This means faster fat burning, making chili peppers a great addition to your diet. Capsaicin also helps reduce your appetite, so you naturally eat fewer calories throughout the day. Whether you add them to soups, stir-fries, or use them as a spicy seasoning, chili peppers bring a fiery flavor to your meals while promoting fat loss. Not only do they make your food more exciting, but they also provide a natural and effective way to boost your metabolism and support your weight loss journey. Next, fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent choices for fat loss. Fatty fish are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and support a healthy metabolism. These omega-3s also improve insulin sensitivity, allowing your body to process fat more efficiently. Plus, the high protein content in these fish keeps you full longer, helping to prevent overeating and supporting lean muscle mass as you lose fat. Adding fatty fish to your diet gives you a good mix of healthy fats and protein, both essential for burning fat effectively. Whether you grill, bake, or sauté them, fatty fish are a tasty and nutritious way to stay on track with your fat loss goals. Don't forget your greens. Leafy vegetables like spinach, kale, and arugula are fantastic for fat loss. Leafy greens are low in calories but packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, making them a perfect fit for any fat-burning diet. The fiber helps you feel full and keeps cravings at bay. Plus, these greens aid digestion and detoxify your body, promoting overall health. They're also rich in important nutrients like vitamin K, iron, and magnesium, which support metabolism and boost energy levels. Easy to add to any meal, you can toss them into salads, soups, or even blend them into smoothies. By including these greens in your diet, you're fueling your body with nutrient-rich, low-calorie foods that keep you full while helping you burn fat more effectively. For a convenient snack that helps burn fat, reach for nuts like almonds, walnuts, or pistachios. Nuts are a nutrient-packed snack full of healthy fats, protein, and fiber, making them perfect for curbing hunger and keeping you satisfied between meals. Known for promoting fullness, nuts help you avoid overeating, making it easier to stick to your calorie goals. Studies show that eating them in moderation can actually boost fat loss by enhancing metabolism and reducing cravings. They also provide a healthy dose of antioxidants and essential nutrients like vitamin E, magnesium, and omega-3 fatty acids, which support overall health. A small handful of nuts is an easy, portable snack that gives you lasting energy while supporting your fat loss goals. Finally, let's sweeten things up with berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are tiny but mighty when it comes to fat loss. Berries are vibrant, low-calorie fruits that are full of fiber. Packed with antioxidants, they help reduce inflammation and protect your cells, supporting both your overall health and fat-burning goals. They're also great for keeping blood sugar levels in check, which is key to preventing fat storage. Berries are super versatile. Enjoy them as a guilt-free snack. Sprinkle them on your yogurt in the morning, or blend them into smoothies for a flavorful, nutrient-packed boost. With their natural sweetness, they're the perfect way to satisfy your sweet tooth while staying on track with your health goals. And there you have it, the top 10 foods that will help you burn fat and achieve your health goals. Remember, fat loss doesn't have to mean deprivation or extreme diets. By incorporating these nutrient-packed, fat-burning foods into your daily meals, you're setting yourself up for sustainable and long-term success. Whether it's starting your day with eggs, snacking on nuts and berries, or sipping on green tea, small changes in your diet can make a big difference. Pair these foods with regular exercise and a positive mindset, and you'll be amazed at the results. Which of these foods will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to live a healthier, happier life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.